Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud is working for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. Firstly, put your headphones inside the charging case, then close the case and open it again. If it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press to time on your earbud and then press and hold for at least 5 seconds. You can hear a power off, so it make a hard reset. So now I click 1, 2 and now I'm press and hold. And we just make a hard reset. Now put your headphone to the charging case, close the case, click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and click on your headphones. And it should help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!